Hello and welcome back to A Million Bucks Style. Today is a very quick review as well as unboxing of the Agaro blow dry brush. Yes guys, this is the volumizing blow dry brush from Agaro. A lot of people suggested that I try it after I posted my Dyson review, and I thought maybe it's time that I give it a thought. I searched online, I searched on YouTube, and I went through a lot of websites, and I came across 3 products that people are suggesting that you should buy as far as blow dry brush is concerned. There is Alan Truman, there is Winston, as well as Agaro. A lot of people had mixed review when it came to Alan Truman as well as Winston, but most people were quite impressed with the Agaro, so I ended up buying this one. And you will get to know whether I like this product or not towards the end of the video. This is what my hair looks like after I have blow dried it. Let me show you how I blow dried my hair, what was the condition in the beginning and what it actually ended up being after the blow dry, and let's get started. This seems so familiar because I recently shared a Dyson review sitting in the same position in the same room exactly like this. So this just arrived last night and I thought today is a good day to not only unbox it but also review it and share my first impressions. So to be very honest, I've never tried a blow dry brush. It's going to be the first time I'm going to be using something like this, so I'm very excited. So this is what it looks like. It's not very light. So you have an instruction card and you also have a warranty card, which basically gives you a guarantee of 1 year, and you can also extend it by calling them and you get an extended warranty of 6 months, which is great. So I bought this from Myntra because Myntra currently has some really good discounts on beauty products, and I thought I'll make the most of it. I went through Nykaa, I tried Tira, I also tried another website, Tata Click, and Amazon, and I realized the cheapest option was Myntra, so I bought it from there. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I like the way it holds on my hand. It's not very lightweight, but it's also not very heavy. It's definitely lighter than the Dyson. So in terms of the product quality, I think it's made pretty well. The plastic used looks very high grade, and so it has a dial right here where you can basically choose cool air, hot air, and hottest air. So you do have the option of choosing the kind of level that you want, and the brush also looks pretty decent, something that can work on my hair, and I have frizzy and very dry hair. So I washed my hair this morning and I've already applied a hair serum as well as hair protectant. I will leave them in the link below. I've been using the BBlunt's hair serum as well as heat protectant, and it's been working really well for me. Now let's plug this monster in and see what we're dealing with. Okay, so the only thing I have right now are these claw clips. I don't have a hairbrush, I don't have a comb. So we're gonna see how this particular blow brush is supposed to work. I'm just gonna section my hair into 2 parts, bring the back section forward. Now first, let's see how loud this is. It literally took me 3 or 4 times to dry this hair, and that was very quick. Okay, I'm not going to change the speed and just observe. I'm gonna put it on the hottest setting. Five times, and this is the result. Let me section the rest of my hair. I mean, considering I'm trying it for the first time, I'm very impressed. This might just replace my blow dryer altogether. My hair is completely dry, guys. My hair is completely dry. Not just the ends, but also my roots. I'm very impressed. Just look at that. So I'm going to try something else that I do with my blow dryer to see if I can get the curls that I want towards the end. This is by far the quickest blow dry ever, and I am so impressed with the end result. Just look at my hair, guys. You saw me do this from scratch. You saw how my hair looked in the beginning, and just look at it right now. It's completely dry. It's got the most loveliest bounce. I am so impressed. Wow. Okay guys, this is not sponsored. I spent my hard-earned money on this and I am so impressed. I am genuinely amazed at how quickly it managed to get my hair ready, and the results are fantastic. The brush is really soft. It's not one of those hard brushes that you feel you can't bring it closer to your roots. I am so impressed. I don't have a lot of hair fall, but whatever little hair fall I have, I can easily pluck my hair like this and throw it in the dustbin. It has 1200 watts power, which is brilliant. The setting button has been placed so smartly because when I'm blow drying my hair, I can just literally okay, let's not get carried away. I'm enjoying using this. It might just be something that's going to replace my blow dryer completely. I love the fact that it's given me these lovely curls, and very quick, guys. This has been the quickest blow dry ever. My entire hair, my scalp, my roots, everything is dried. My hair feels so soft and smooth. I can easily run my fingers through my hair and no hair fall is coming out. Look at that. I am so impressed. All right. In conclusion, it's not going to curl your hair. It's not supposed to be a curler. I haven't experimented much with it because I used it for the first time with you guys. But if you're someone who's looking to get really quick blow dry every single morning with smooth hair and something that does not damage your hair, because I can feel it. It's not something that damages your hair. The heat coming out of this blow dry brush is distributed so evenly that it not only dries your hair super quickly, it's also not going to damage your hair. Let me get to the specifications now. So it has activated charcoal bristles. No wonder it's so smooth, and it's made my hair so smooth. It has 24 karat gold styling surface for even heat distribution. I told you, it has to be the evenly distributed heat that's done the magic. Anti-scalding tip, which is very good. It's not going to scald, it's not going to burn. Even if I touch it, it's not going to burn my fingers. Ionic technology to reduce fizz. No wonder. Swivel power cord. Yeah, the cord is pretty thick, very strong, and you know, it doesn't get stuck anywhere. I am amazed. I am so impressed at this brilliant volumizing hair dryer. If you're in the market looking for a good blow dryer brush that does everything, this is the one that you need to invest in. I am going to say this again. I'm so impressed. Well, that was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. I'm still reveling in the fact that I actually managed to buy something so good and I'm not regretting it. Definitely give this a shot. You guys are not going to regret it. I'm going to leave the details in the description box below. Myntra is running a fantastic sale, so make the most of it. And please let me know in the comment section below once you have bought it. Tell me what your feedback is, what your review is, and your first impressions, because I am so impressed. This is amazing. This feels so good. I'm very picky and I am so happy with this purchase. A very good birthday gift to give to your sisters, your friends, someone who's getting married. Amazing. All right, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep it stylish and always look and feel like $1,000,000. Bye guys.